Ram Ram everybody. I'm so happy to bring back another video. Thank you so much for your response on the first one. It was fantastic. But today's reading is so important and it's been so tough to record this reading because of course there was a very important message at bay. इसीलिए इससे पहले मेरा फ़ोन फिर से जवाब दे दे. I will just get into it. If you have been feeling extremely depressed, like your life is not worth it, if you have been contemplating extreme actions like leaving your house or doing something that is not safe, if you have been wanting to end things, if you're really hopeless, feeling really hopeless in life, if you feel like you have to end योर जॉब, योर रिलेशनशिप्स, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको किसी चीज़ से बाहर निकलना है, या फिर अगर आपकी रिसेंटली बहुत बुरी तरह लड़ाइयाँ हुई हैं, अगर आपकी बहुत रिसेंटली बहुत फॉल आउट्स हुए हैं लोगों के साथ, रिलेशनशिप्स ख़त्म हुई हैं, कोई चीज़ ख़त्म हुई है, कुछ एंड हुआ है, रिलेशनशिप्स हो सकते हैं, करियर हो सकता है, कोई सिचुएशन हो सकती है अच्छी बुरी. अगर आपकी लाइफ में अभी रिसेंटली 17 मई से लेकर आज to the day of the recording of this video, which is 26th May, if between these 9-10 days कुछ ख़त्म हुआ है, or I would say from 10th May, if from 10th May to today 26th May something has ended, something major has ended, or the ending of something has started, आपने डिवोर्स इनिशिएट किया है या फिर रिज़ाइन किया है, कुछ भी ऐसा हुआ है, तो ये रीडिंग आपके लिए ज़रूर है. Even if these things have not happened, you are more than free to watch this reading. It could very well be for you too. So first of all, I really feel like this group, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप लोगों को ठंड बहुत जल्दी लगती है. There's a good chance that you feel very cold. The Justice card has come out. सबसे पहले खोलते ही Libra, Throat और Moon. And in fact, it's so crazy how I was about to say that maybe this group feels cold really quickly. शायद आप ठंड बहुत जल्दी पकड़ते हैं. And I'm not surprised. It says Moon also and Throat also. आप possibly you have a kapha composition. आप कफ दोष के हैं. हो सकता है कि आपका मून बहुत वीक भी हो, या फिर आपका सैटर्न मून के ऊपर से ट्रांजिट कर रहा हो. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपकी मदर की तबीयत ख़राब हो. इट कुड बी दैट योर मॉम इज़ नॉट वेल, और दैट योर मॉम इज़ हैविंग सम जॉइंट पेन और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पेन that is really difficult for her. Her health may be suffering. Something of that sort is happening which is difficult for you. I feel like अभी एक थोड़ा tough phase चल रहा है आपके लिए. The second thing is that I really think you could be studying law also, you could be a lawyer also, you could be preparing for judiciary, you could be preparing for law entrances. ये एक बहुत बड़ा कार्ड है. आई थिंक इसका कुछ ना कुछ आंसर निकल के आएगा. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है इसमें बोलना, कि जो आपके साथ हो रहा है ना इस समय, चाहे वो अच्छा हो रहा है बुरा हो रहा है, इट्स करेक्ट. वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग विद यू राइट नाउ, इट्स अ कार्मिक रिजल्ट ऑफ समथिंग. आई मीन whatever is happening right now, it's not a coincidence. King of Pentacles in reverse. I really feel like for some of you father could also be involved. I feel like these people, ये जिनकी जो इस रीडिंग में आए हैं, I really feel like you are very insecure about your money. You could be very insecure about wealth. आपको बहुत इनसिक्योरिटी लगी रहती है कि अभी मैं पैसे नहीं कमा पाऊंगा, अभी ये नहीं हो पाएगा, अभी वो नहीं हो पाएगा. ऐसा बहुत डर लगा रहता है आपको कि आपके फाइनेंसेस खतरे में हैं. समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. बट वी ऑल्सो हैव विश फुलफिलमेंट. 10 of Cups इज ऑल्सो देयर. आई फील लाइक कुछ किसी चीज़ का टाइम पूछा है आपने, इवन दो दोनों कार्ड्स पर टाइम लिखा है. मुझे लगता है कि 1 मंथ का एक टाइम पीरियड है, आपने किसी चीज़ का टाइम पूछा है, 1 मंथ के टाइम पीरियड में उसके होने का चांस है. देर इज समथिंग विच यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, देर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ गुड न्यूज़ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ विश यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, या कहीं आपने ऑफ अप्लाई करा हो या कुछ भी हो, उसके लिए ये एक पॉजिटिव साइन हो सकता है कि आपकी विश कहीं ना कहीं फुलफिल होगी. And I feel like Jupiter is about to enter Pisces on 2nd of June. So ये भी आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है कि इट्स नॉट अ कोइंसिडेंस कि ये निकल के आया है, बिकॉज ये एक्चुअली बनने वाला है, जुपिटर इन पाइसिस आने वाला है. एंड आप सेटिस्फाई होंगे, समथिंग विल कम ट्रू फॉर यू. I also feel like you have a lot of brain fog. This group has a lot of brain fog. बहुत टफ चल रहा है आपका, मेंटली आपका जो एक वेल बीइंग है वो बहुत टफ है इस समय. आपको ब्रेन फॉग लगता रहता है, आपको अनकंफर्टेबल लगता रहता है. अब बहुत आई फील लाइक अ बंच ऑफ दिस ग्रुप ऑल्सो फील्स वेरी अनसेफ, लाइक समथिंग और समवन इज गोइंग टू अटैक देम. आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक यू कुड बी फेसिंग साइकिक अटैक्स, you could be facing a feeling like something is after you, and maybe something is or is not. That's something that we cannot tell through a general reading, because sometimes people are affected by Rahu, sometimes people have Rahu Ketu placed in a way that they have hallucinations. So we cannot really tell in a general reading if your feeling is correct or not. You are always free to reach out to book a reading to discuss that in detail, but in general readings it's not possible to say for certain if your fears are correct or not, but I'm just stating that they could be there. So Page of Pentacles, I feel like, yeah, see, गुड साइंस है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ खराब होने वाला है. देखिए, it's crazy how the previous recording that I did, which I had to delete because it got cut off midway. I had started off the previous video by saying that you have ended something. आपने 1 मई से लेकर 26 मई के बीच में, या उससे पहले भी, आई फील लाइक मे, बट ऑल्सो लाइक सिंस अप्रैल एंड हो सकता है, कुछ एंड हुआ है. 20th अप्रैल, स्पेशली 19-20th अप्रैल के आसपास, आई फील लाइक बहुत टर्बुलेंट टाइम था. द शनि अमावस्या दैट केम, which was on 17th May, the Purnima that came last month, these have been very turbulent times, and I feel like since then to now a lot of things have kept happening continuously. केतु ने भी last month transit किया है, so इस time पे a lot of things are happening and a lot of things are ending. बहुत कुछ end हो रहा है. I feel like people in this group are also wanting to end a marriage. कुछ लोग जो ये पायल देख रहे हैं, कुछ लोग जो ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, आई फील लाइक यू कुड बी वांटिंग टू एंड अ मैरिज, अ रिलेशनशिप, अ फ्रेंडशिप, अ जॉब. आपका मन हो सकता है कुछ एंड करने का, एंड कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, आई फील लाइक दिस रीडिंग इज डेफिनेटली फॉर यू. इफ यू आर वांटिंग टू एंड समथिंग एंड यू वर लुकिंग फॉर अ साइन दैट गुड विल हैपन, देन द साइन इज दिस, दैट येस, गुड थिंग्स विल हैपन, न्यू थिंग्स विल कम योर वे. सब कुछ खराब खराब गंदा गंदा नहीं है. And I want to reiterate that every single challenge is a night, and every single night is followed by a day. तो अगर 6 महीने भी आपकी रात चलती है ना, तो 6 महीने आपकी सुबह भी चलेगी, आपका दिन भी चलेगा. If you have been going through a very long prolonged dark night, I'm feeling very heavy presence of ancestors. And of course, because I'm doing this reading, it's my ancestors. But I can tell for a fact that while doing this reading, I'm not alone. And there are a lot of ancestors who are present in this room. And I really feel like your ancestors are also asking for pacification. Your ancestors could be asking for Pindadan. You could have Pitradosh also. You could definitely have Pitradosh. Your ancestors want to be in contact with you. You should offer ahutis to your ancestors every time you do a havan, every time you go to temples. You must offer prayers to your ancestors, for your ancestors, and you should definitely honor and respect your ancestors. I also feel like this group could have feelings like मेरे ancestors ने बड़े गलत काम किए हैं, गंदे काम किए हैं. Even if your ancestors have done things which are not good, You have to respect them. You are supposed to respect them. I really feel like there are a lot of people here who are not happy with their ancestors. Regardless of what they have done, you must be respectful towards them, loving towards them, thank them for being here. Even if they have not done good things, you should thank them. Oh my god, there's Ketu. Right. आई फील लाइक you've invested in something. I had said this पहले भी कि आपने कहीं ना कहीं इन्वेस्ट किया और आप वेट कर रहे हैं. You could have invested in something. It could also be emotional investment. By investment does not mean just पैसे. It means emotional investment also, marriage also, long term results also. ये fructify होगा. You will get some fulfillment out of this. You will get some fulfillment out of this. It's not all gone, it's not all sunk, right? You can look forward to a good result also. I was talking about how there was brain fog, right? This is it clearly says here that there's lack of self discipline, lack of direction, there's opposition, there's resistance. आपको ऐसा महसूस होना चाहिए कि हो सकता है कि आप कुछ भी अच्छा करने चलते हो या कुछ भी अपने लिए जो आपको अच्छा डिसीजन लगता है वो करने चलते हो तो आप बहुत रेजिस्टेंस फेस करते हो. ये चीज़ हो सकती है. You feel very powerless and are lacking direction. You need to take control of your destiny and not let outside forces determine your path. You could be a Cancer, Pisces, water sign person. If you are wanting to start something, and I feel like for a lot of people this is a relationship. अगर आप किसी relationship में enter करने की सोच रहे हैं, if you are thinking of entering a relationship and you're thinking of dating somebody right now, please back off. You could also be in your Ketu Dasha, Antardasha, Mahadasha, anything, or about to enter. आप ये जो भी पर्सन है जो आपके सामने इस समय आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सपने सुहावने लग रहे हैं, प्लीज जस्ट स्टे अवे. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर बीइंग हार्श बट जस्ट लाइक स्टे अवे फॉर अ बिट. प्लीज स्टे अवे. अभी यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ. एंड ooh, interesting. See, new opportunities will come to you. ऐसा नहीं है. New ideas, new projects, new plans, breakthroughs also indicates mental intellectual capability and mental clarity. Also indicates good news in relation to legal matters and contracts. कोई केस चल रहा है तो जीतने का चांस है. Breakthroughs, new ideas, mental clarity, success. I feel like you could be moving, you could be seeing some progress in some ways. ये केतु मुझे बहुत बॉदर कर रहा है. ये 7 नंबर भी हो सकता है आपका. यू कुड बी बॉर्न इन 7, यू कुड बी अ डेस्टिनी 7 और लाइक अ मूलांक भाग्यांक 7. आई डोंट नो विच इज विच, बट बेसिकली योर बर्थ could total a number of 7. Interesting. Queen of Pentacles reversed. I also feel like financial independence, work, home conflict, self-care indicates a lack of social status, poverty, failure, dependence, and being out of control. A mature female who is mean-spirited and materialistic. Yeah, it could be. And this is Rahu. My God, Rahu Ketu both are present. ये आपकी मदर भी हो सकती है, मदर इन लॉ भी हो सकती है, कोई मदर फिगर भी हो सकती है. Could be an older woman also. Some older woman could be involved. I feel like for a lot of people this is a mother-in-law. For a lot of people. ये रीडिंग रिलेशनशिप्स की तरफ ज़्यादा जा रही है. कुड बी मैरिज, कुड बी पार्टनरशिप, कुड बी एनीथिंग. एंड ऑल्सो फील लाइक यू फील वेरी स्टक फाइनेंशियली बहुत दिक्कत है. किसी प्रोजेक्ट में होप लगा के बैठे हैं कि वो हो जाएगा कि नहीं हो जाएगा. देर इज़ अ गुड चांस. जुपिटर विल एंटर पाइसिस on 2nd of June. I really want you to keep waiting till then and not take anything to be a decisive action till then. अभी थोड़ा वेट करो. Don't get disheartened and give up on life and everything, okay? I also feel like this group really needs to learn how to protect themselves from psychic attacks. um, बहुत ट्रबल्ड एनर्जीज आपको या बहुत एनर्जीज आपको ट्रबल करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. टेक अ ब्रीदर. वही ना, आप थोड़ा बी प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ. प्लीज़ टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. प्लीज़ टेक अ वाइल. आप उतने बड़े फेलियर नहीं हो जितना आप सोच रहे हो. इट्स जस्ट बिन अ वेरी टफ ईयर, अ वेरी टफ टाइम. आई डोंट थिंक दैट this group really needs to feel so disheartened. Like I can tell you one thing for a fact, and I'm telling you this as a promise. आप जितना बड़ा इस टाइम पे हर चीज़ को ले रहे हो ना, उतनी बड़ी नहीं है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग उतनी बड़ी नहीं है बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम इज स्मॉल, but because it will get resolved. You will find support, you will find divine support, you will find ancestral support, you will find support of elders. आपके आसपास के लोग आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. आपको ऐसा नहीं छोड़ेगा कोई कि आपको कोई हेल्प ही नहीं कर रहा है, आपके साथ कोई खड़ा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. यू आर नॉट अलोन इज वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू. एंड आपके एंसेस्टर्स आपका बहुत अच्छा चाहते हैं. आपके एंसेस्टर्स आपको वॉच ओवर करते हैं. आपको अपने एंसेस्टर्स को भी प्लीज करके रखना है. और यहाँ बहुत लोगों को, आई फील लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हियर हैव नॉट विजिटेड देयर कुल देवी इन फॉर एवर. प्लीज विजिट योर कुल देवीज, प्लीज. आई टेक वन मोर. Oh my god, I can't believe the same card came out. Two cards came out actually, which I want to talk about. It says, one says take inspired action, which is Virgo and Aries could be two important signs. Full moons could be relevant. I feel like these people experience a lot of very low and high phases during full moons and new moons. You could have a moon that fluctuates your mental health a lot. आपकी mental health बहुत ऊपर नीचे होती ही रहती है because of your moon placement. मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि कई लोगों का moon 9th house में है, या फिर moon इनका, आपका जो moon है वो आपके करियर को affect करता ही करता है. And these cards, since they're oracle cards, they don't have any meanings that we can like remember. So I will just read all the meanings out to you. And also, it's so crazy how a lot of these are last quarter moon. See, this is also a last quarter moon, this is also a last quarter moon, and this is also a last quarter moon. I feel like कुछ fruition में आने वाला है, and this is a full moon. Something is going to come to fruition. Something is going through a cleanse. आपकी लाइफ में cleanse चल रहा है, सफाई चल रही है. बहुत कुछ छूट रहा है और आप उसको छूटने दीजिए. जो भी छूट रहा है उसको छूटने दीजिए. Let's give these a read. See, last quarter moon in, let's start with Cancer. We have Aries. Yeah, okay. It says sometimes situations start with much promise and then get fatigued and fizzled out. This is normal. If a situation is dragging on too long and everyone is becoming far too sensitive, I feel like ये किसी लड़ाई के बारे में है. You could be going through a fight with somebody. It might be time to take a breather. Is this still what you want? If a situation is slipping away, it says situation, but I read it as relationship. So I feel like if a relationship is slipping away from you, it could be due to self-doubt or because too many people are trying to get their own way. If you're struggling to find a balance with a VIP in your life, or struggling or a professional or personal connection, if you're struggling in a professional or personal connection, it is time to show your feelings. I feel like you need to take a stand. You need to take a stand for yourself, for sure. You need to stop and revive. Emotional fatigue is dangerous as physical fatigue if it becomes very long term. Refresh your heart. And या आई मीन आई फील लाइक बहुत लोगों का ये जो सीन चल रहा है ये स्पेसिफिकली रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके है काफ़ी. फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दिस इज रिलेशन. दिस वीडियो हैज़ बिन सो फुल ऑफ इंटरप्शंस. बार बार बीच बीच में it's been going off. Sometimes I ended up reading the wrong card. It's been quite a mess, let's just put it like that. Yeah, so we are now at full moon in Virgo, which is take inspired action. If you want, you can take a screenshot. I'll read it out. This card is bursting with goddess energy. देवी पूजा अच्छी चल रही है आपकी, and I mean चल रही है. And reminds you that it's wonderful to have lofty dreams. You also need to ground those desires by taking action. आपको अपना काम धंधा करने पे जाने की ज़रूरत है. आप एक जगह बैठ नहीं सकते. अगर आप सिर्फ जॉब करोगे और काम नहीं करोगे तो आपके ड्रीम्स फुलफिल नहीं होने वाले. इफ़ यू थिंक दैट मैनिफेस्टिंग ड्रीम्स इज़ लाइक डूइंग इनफ जर्नलिंग एंड डूइंग इनफ जॉब, देन यू रॉन्ग. Not gonna happen. Draw down the energies of the divine by doing something as trivially as making a bullet point list of what you need to do to manifest your dreams. Also know that you're 100% worthy of your dreams. Ditch self-abasement, criticism, and second-guessing yourself and others. And find a balance between dreaming big and being practical. I feel like there's a lot of Mercury energy here. Obviously it's Virgo, so but the point is that I feel like अगर आपका बुध कमज़ोर है, if your chart has retrograde Mercury or debilitated Mercury, something of the other that causes your Mercury to not be at its best, then that will cause you to have trouble planning, being organized, executing, thinking what's the right thing for you. So Vishnu Sahasranam, you have to do Vishnu Sahasranam for sure. Vishnu Sahasranam Parayan is necessary for people who are doing this and can resonate with this particular reading. अगर आप इस reading से resonate कर सकते हैं तो please ज़रूर विष्णु सहस्रनाम करिए. Now last quarter moon in Aries. Someone has had their feelings hurt. आपके घर में पक्का issue चल रहा है. Deal with this upset, and if it's at the home front, whatever is going on right now will be better if you take steps to make sure that no one is feeling like they've been emotionally run over. And it's hard to manifest while your dreams are in your way. You can take a screenshot and read it. Make sure that your heart is clear. My site just went to this moon that is here. Moon and balance. आपको अपना moon balance करना पड़ेगा, which means, and also this card is very green also, this particular one. This is the last one. इसकी रीडिंग 2 बार मैं डालने की कोशिश कर चुकी हूँ बट अभी तक नहीं आई है. I'm just gonna finish up in real quick. Oh my god, this is so important. It says, do you believe in you? Be proud of yourself. No one is perfect, but you need to believe in yourself and what you have to offer. Be proud of yourself. Draw this energy of the earth to fulfill a purpose. You have a lot of unresolved self-worth questions, and you need to create a life that you need to resolve before you start creating a life for yourself. Being real is the key here. Don't pretend for appearance sake. You are more than allowed and encouraged to be your real self. Please be authentic. आपको जो करने का मन है आप वही करिए. Don't try to be a certain way. And I feel like I'm going to finish this reading right here today. You have to do Vishnu Sahasranam. You have to write Ram Naam. You have to stay around plants. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा plants के साथ घूमने की ज़रूरत है. Please go visit some place that has a river. If you are thinking of going to Parvati Valley, Kasol, any place in the north that has a river, please go. Go as soon as possible. Travel, please travel. Take a break that involves a travel in nature. I'm also seeing Golu Devta's temple, or like some temple in the hills. Jageshwar, Golu Devta's temple, all those temples in the north of India, please visit. I'm not saying go flood Kedarnath, but go in the north, smaller temples. Don't have to go for the bigger temples. Don't go for the reels. Go for yourself. Clear your mind, clear your heart, come back, take a break. Short, low budget trip ले लो, लेकिन चले जाओ, break लेके आओ. Yeah? With that said, thank you so much for joining me here for this wonderful reading today. I hope that this was helpful and love you all so much. Bye.